Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're tuning in if you are tuning in for the first time, where have you been? How come you're just seeing me? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and to all my returning subscribers that love me so much, I love you back. I love you right back, and I'm so grateful that you are here today. So yes, this information I'm about to give you, some people might already know, but I think that is for everybody's good. Like, you're going to thank me because I feel like this is like business. A while ago I did 2 videos. The first one was businesses that I think about, I don't know, but a lot of businesses. I really share a lot of businesses that you can start up in Nigeria for as little as 100,000 naira. After that, people requested that I do the one that you can start up from outside Nigeria in Nigeria. A lot of people want to invest in Nigeria or in Africa from outside Nigeria. So this time I am going to share with you businesses that you can do in Africa, in Nigeria, outside Africa, in your house, in your home country, wherever. And it's not like a new business. It's not like business that we do not know already, but maybe it's not just occurring to you. If you have like money and you're just thinking, what can I really do that I'm going to be getting money frequently, like very often, then keep watching. So you guys know how I really wanted to run away, but my husband was, trying to talk me into staying back and all of that, and I was about to lose my mind. So my husband organized like a staycation for me and my baby, because it's going to really help my mind at this time. So right now I am actually in an Airbnb accommodation. It's a very good business. People are always traveling around the world. People are always going for staycations and vacations. So you do not need so much to run an Airbnb. It's a very good business because it is accommodation. People will always look for where to stay. People always want to stay somewhere, and you do not really need so much. I'm just going to advise that Pele, my love, I'll soon attend to you. You come first. Yes, you're my number one. My love. Ndo. K feature. You want your mommy? Huh? You want your mommy? Your mommy is right here, okay? Yeah, so I'll just give you like what you need. It could be your own house. Like, you can build the apartment. You can use a room in your house, a house that you're living in. If you have 3 bedrooms and you're using only 1 room, you can use the remaining 2 for this short stays. You can also rent an apartment. Yes, you can use any apartment at all. You can rent an apartment and use it for this purpose. You can build and use it for this purpose. You can buy a house and use it for this purpose. So all you need is, please find a place that is conducive for your guests to be able to cook, because people prefer Airbnbs to hotels, because that money that you'll be spending eating out, some people do not have it. And even if you have it, do not waste money when you can just cook what you want. If you're in a strange land and you don't know where you buy your local food and all of that, you can cook. Just go get the ingredients that you need and cook your food in your house. So it's very important that you have a space for cooking. It can be a general kitchen. Like, for example, you're using your house, your kitchen, you can be sharing it with these guests. It's just steady income. Like, you're going to get people that will come out, because people that use Airbnb are people that are like traveling and they are new in the country. So you see, you're going to have people like every month. People will come and stay for a whole month, a whole week, 2 months, 6 months. It depends on how conducive and how cozy the apartment is. So you need a very comfortable bed. Can you see that this bed is bouncing? Like, we are bouncing. This bed is very comfortable. Like, you need a very good bed. You need a fridge. You need television. You need an iron. I have one iron here. Let me show you. You need an iron, and you need a microwave. Okay, those are things that people just need. And of course, your bathroom and toilet, of course. Those are things that people need for everyday life. Okay, once you have all of these, AC, constant light, so you can do it however you want to do it. Like, you can include data. Like, right here we have like Wi-Fi, so I don't even have stress with data at this time. You can include even a car, like a car and a driver. It depends on what you want to do. It's not compulsory that you do all of that, we all know, but just a very nice space. It could be very small, it can be big, it can be a whole house, because some people travel like in bulk, maybe a group of friends traveling, or a family of 6 or whatever. So it can be like a 2-bedroom apartment, it can be like 1 bedroom, it can be 1 room, whatever. You can just have machine, have like just basic things. It's not compulsory that you have a washing machine, but all these things just add to the point. And you know, when people are very comfortable, they're always going to rate your apartment 5-star, of course, on the platform, and you know, they're going to comment and talk about how you're such a great host and your place is very comfortable. So you know, that rating really helps, because whenever somebody wants to, you know, book a stay, they literally go check from people that have the reviews of people that have been here, that have been to your apartment before. Why am I stammering like I'm lying? You know, so it's a good business, because like this one now, for example, you do not always find vacancy. People are always here. It's always fully booked 24 hours. Like you have to book. I'm sure if you want to book this place right now, you might not have any vacancy till like 23rd of November, or maybe 14th or 18th of November. It's just really rare that you find space, because people are always booking. So it's a good business, because you can be abroad. Like the owner of this place is nowhere in Africa at this time. Okay, she's not even in Africa, but she's just running. She has a security guard, and she has a lady that, you know, calls to do all the confirmations and all of that. So you can just have one housekeeper that you trust, you know, to make sure that everything is fine in the house, and that is just it. You're going to be getting your cool cash on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis. But how it works is that the Airbnb, the platform, they get their own cut. See, I'm doing free advert for them, but it's not about them right now. Okay, they have their own cut, just like Uber, you know. So the driver has his own cut, the Uber people. So the same thing, the Airbnb people, they have their own percentage, and the owner of the place has his or her own percentage. So it's a good business that I think that you should consider. You can do it where you're staying, you can do it in Africa, but just make sure that it is very nice and very affordable. If it's affordable, then hey, man, like if it's affordable, you're going to have an edge. Like you're going to be in real money every single year. So you have to consider that if you're doing this kind of business, you have to spend money on Wi-Fi. I'm just telling you, like, things, maintenance things that you have to do, right? You have to spend money on electricity. You have to spend money on gas, because, you know, definitely people want to cook and all of that. What else? DSTV subscription. That is all. But you're going to make all the money. Maybe paying your cleaner. In this case, I even paid extra $17 for cleaning. Yeah, so you can just charge the guest, or you can just remove it from the money. Whatever it is you want to do, however it is you want to do it, just do it. You must not have everything that I just mentioned. You must not have everything, but if you want to you're going to keep having guests anyhow your apartment is. But just consider this business. It's good business. I just thought to come add it here, because I don't know how I did not this business is something that I tell people around me all the time to go into. I don't know how I did not mention it in any. Okay, because the first one was 100k business you can start up with 100k, and the second one, did I mention Airbnb? I cannot remember, but yeah, I'm doing this video just because I think that it's good, and you should just consider it. If you have money lying around and you're wondering what you can do with the money, this is something you can do with the money. So come and pay me money later and tell me thank you. All right, I have to end this video here. Did you enjoy it? If you did, please let me know, and then please give this video a thumbs up just for me. Okay, give this video a huge thumbs up, and then hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet. I would really, of course, definitely, I would really appreciate. Share this video also, like, if you like it. Okay, share with your friends and family. I love you guys. I have to, like, I'm actually trying to film my night routine at this time. I'm trying to film my night routine, and yeah, it's going to start now. So please watch all my videos. Okay, I love people. Thank you. Bye bye.